How to fix the echo problem on Discord. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having problem of echo on Discord, here is a solution for that. First of all, tap open the Discord application on your Windows, or you could just simply turn on the Discord web version as well. For the web version, go to discord.com and log in using your credentials or by QR code scanning on your mobile phone as well. Once you reach here, you must see a user setting option right next to your name on the left corner. Once you do it, scroll down under the left side panel and you must see the option voice and video under app settings. On this, you'll have to scroll down until you see the option of echo. Hereby, just beside it is a echo cancellation option. Make sure that is toggled on to green. And that's it. After this is done, your echo problem should be solved. This is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.